Hey, this is Randy Pierson, Vice President of Life and Annuities for Gordon Marketing, and I'm here with my very good friend Kip Walker from Mutual Trust on location at Top Gun 2020. And today we're going to be talking about this fantastic relationship and how Mutual Trust can help you take your life insurance game to the next level in 2020 and beyond. So Kip, Mutual Trust, we have had a relationship with your company for over a decade, and it's been a fantastic partnership, and we really value the relationship. But I suspect that there's a lot of folks who are watching this video that aren't familiar with Mutual Trust. So can you give the agents out there a little idea about the history of the company?
Sure, Randy. Mutual Trust is a over 100-year-old participating mutual whole life insurance carrier. We specialize in whole life. We've been around for over 100 years, as I said, but we merged with another participating mutual company in 2015, and that really has taken our company's success to the next level. We've grown 12% compounded annually the first 3 years after the merger, and we grew another 36% last year 36%. In a market that grew by 1%.
That's amazing.
We've got a lot going on.
That's fantastic. 36% is rather impressive in today's market, particularly in light of the fact that, the hottest growing product out there right now is IUL, but you're a whole life company. So tell us a little bit about your flagship whole life product, how it works, a little what are the sizzle points.
Sure. So we know that IUL is very popular in the market these days, but we do have a lot of insurers and clients that are starting to rediscover the powers of those guarantees in whole life insurance. It's not just about the interest rate, it's about what you're multiplying that interest rate by, and that is the cash value that is guaranteed to grow every single year. And a lot of clients really like that, and they like the participating aspect with the dividends every single year, and we've paid dividends every year for over 100 years straight.
I mean, a century, that's impressive, and I think a lot of folks out there have a tough time comprehending 100 years, right? But to be a carrier that has paid a dividend for over a century, that's rather impressive. For those who have watched our Selling Life and Annuities videos or seen our emails or heard us or myself speak, you're probably already aware that the Your Family Bank program is the most successful life insurance marketing program that we've brought to agents since I've been at Gordon Marketing. And Mutual Trust is a big component of that, a partner within the YFB system. Tell us a little bit about that relationship between Mutual Trust and Your Family Bank.
Yes, so we started partnering with Larry McLean a little over 9 years ago.
Wow.
It has been a fantastic relationship. It is hands down the most successful selling system we have ever partnered with.
Yeah.
And we are partner with Larry because he has gone out into the market and he has looked for the best product that fits with his solution. And that product, and you mentioned one of our products earlier, or talking about our flagship product, that's called the Horizon Value.
Yeah.
And the Horizon Value has the highest early guaranteed cash values in the industry, hands down, for the first 6 to 10 years, depending on what you're looking at.
Yeah.
That is comparing our guaranteed cash value to our competitors' guarantees plus their dividends.
Yeah,
and
crazy.
when you look at what Larry is doing, he's getting clients out of debt in 7 to 9 years or less.
Yeah, I mean, that debt equation, I mean, obviously our objective in that Your Family Bank program is to try to get them out of debt as quickly as possible. So that early cash value is critically important, and Horizon Value is a fantastic product. But it is life insurance, and for those folks who are out there watching this video and who don't write a lot of life insurance, one of the things that they're probably thinking is underwriting. Man, what a pain. Talk to us a little bit about how Mutual Trust makes underwriting a little easier for agents.
Well, we have a great culture of openness and communication, and that really allows the agent to have the best opportunity to collaborate with that underwriter to get the best opportunity to close that sale. And we also underwrite from the aspect that we understand what this particular product is being used for,
Sure.
this particular strategy. And so they understand that, and they approach on the financial side from that perspective.
Yeah, I think that's the two key points there, right? I mean, the fact that Your Family Bank program has already been vetted by Mutual Trust, that you bought into the idea, that you agree with the concept, I think is critically important. And the fact that, once again, we're typically trying to minimize death benefit. We're focusing on high early cash values. that helps that whole underwriting process. But the second thing I would really emphasize, working with 100 different life companies, is that most of them by far don't want the advisor calling the underwriter. And the ability for an advisor to speak to the person who's in control of their case, I think, is eminently valuable. Hey, last thing before we run out of time. One of the things I love about Mutual Trust Life is some of the perks and the bells and whistles that an agent can receive by partnering with Mutual Trust. Tell them a little bit about what they can get.
Well, first and foremost, we are not beyond bribery. So we have fantastic conferences. We call them summit conferences, and we handle it all in-house. They're fantastic trips that you can qualify for. We treat you like kings and queens, and it's very reasonable if you're a new writing agent to achieve the goals that we set, because we kind of want to give you the first trip on a very low, almost free, like getting you hooked. So you're able to qualify. Not only do we have reasonable qualification limits, we double the credit for the first 4 months of your production.
Wow.
So it makes it that much easier to achieve our trips. You also can earn education reimbursement toward many of the selling systems and education, whether it's travel for these systems or CE credit. So we really have a lot of rewards that we like to entice our new advisors with.
I mean, that's fantastic. And what many agents who are watching this video are probably not aware is that the education reimbursement program that Mutual Trust offers, we decided at the beginning of this calendar year, 2020, to match those dollars. So if you earn $1,000 education reimbursement from Mutual Trust, Gordon Marketing will also pay you $1,000, which, for all intents and purposes, could completely pay for your subscription to your family bank.
It's fantastic.
Because we believe in the program so much, that's our commitment to the agents out there to participate. So listen, if you're interested in Mutual Trust, learning more about them as a carrier or the YFB program, my suggestion is make comments at the bottom of this video. I will personally reach out to you. You can always call us at the office. My extension is 326. And we appreciate you watching this episode of Selling Life and Annuities. Stay tuned every Tuesday, and we'll see you soon.